As a meeting host, you have the ability to broadcast messages to meeting participants in breakout rooms. Messages can be broadcasted by either typing them or by recording your voice by speaking your message into a microphone. To broadcast a message via text, go into the Breakout Room menu and select Broadcast. Then choose Broadcast Message. From here, you can type the message you wish for participants in breakout rooms to see. Once you finish typing your message, select Broadcast to send it. To broadcast your voice, in the Breakout Room menu, select Broadcast. Then choose Broadcast Voice. From here, select the play icon and begin broadcasting your voice to breakout rooms. When you are finished, select the stop icon. Please note, for both written and voice messages, you can only broadcast messages to all breakout rooms at once and not specific breakout rooms. Thank you for watching. For more Zoom-related content, please subscribe to our channel.